Good morning friends. Previously in this chapter we learned some example for profit and loss and simple interest. Today we will continue our revision with MCQs. So this kind of MCQs can be asked, number can be changed. You need to solve this in your notebook with solution. Okay, so here first, ratio of rupees 10 to 50 paisa is. First question is what? Ratio of rupees 10 to 50 paisa. This kind of question can be asked for 1 marks or it can be asked for MCQ. Digits can be changed. These are only for your practice. So you can understand which kind of question can be asked from this chapter. So first is rupees 10 and 50 paisa. We need to find the ratio. In regular lecture we learned that ratio is a method of comparing two quantity when units are same. But here one unit is rupees and other unit is paisa. So first we need to convert rupees to paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So here in a question we have 10 rupees. So that is 1000 paisa. 10 multiplied 100 is 1000. Now ratio is 1000 divide 50. 25 is 100. It is 20 by 1. So ratio is 20 is to 1. So our answer is option A. Now next one. The ratio of 6 kg to 400 gram is. Here it is 6 kg and here it is 4 gram. So convert kg to gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 6 kg is equal to 6000 gram. Now ratio. Here 6000 is the first quantity, so that will be in a numerator. Divide 400. 2 0 will be cancelled. 15. So it is 15 by 1. It is 15 is to 1. Answer is what? 15 is to 1. So that is option B. Now next one. The ratio of 3 meter to 60 centimeter. Meter and centimeter. So convert meter to centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Now ratio is 300 divide 60. 6 5s are 30. 5 divide 1. So ratio is 5 is to 1. So that will be option C. Next one. The ratio of 15 days to 72 hours. Now here the first quantity is in a day and other quantity is in hours. So convert day to hour. 1 day 24 hours. So 15 days is equal to 15 multiplied 24 hours. So ratio is 15 multiplied 24 divide 72. 24 3s are 5 2s are 15. So it is 5 divide 1. 5 is 2. So that is option. Here I remain 15 multiplied 24 as it is because I need to cut common factor. Next one. The age of father and son are 45 days and 45 years and 10 years. The ratio of their ages. First age is for father and second for son. So ratio is 45 divide 10. Factorize this. 9 5s are 2 5s are 10. So 5 that is common. So 9 by 2. So ratio is 9 is to 2. So that is option C. Next one. The cost of 3 envelope is 15 rupees. Find the cost of 5 envelopes. So here you can use the unitary method. From the 3 envelope you can find the cost of 1 envelope and then you can find the cost of 5 envelope. Or you can use directly that cost of envelope is 15 rupees. So cost of 3 envelope is 15 rupees. So cost of 5 envelope how much? Now cross multiply. 15 multiply 5 divide 3. It is 25 rupees. So cost of 3 envelope is 15. So cost of 5 is how much? Cross multiply. 5 is multiplied with 15. 3 divide. So it is 25 rupees. So it is option B. The cost of 4 meter cloth is 40 rupees. What is the cost of 9 meter? Again you can use the unitary method. Cost of 4 meter is 40. So what is the cost of 1 meter? Cost of 4 meter is 40. So cost of 1 meter is 10 rupees. So cost of 1 meter is 10 rupees. Then what is the cost of 9 meter? It is 90 rupees. So that is option A. Now next, the cost of 7 kg of potato is rupees 42. How many kg of potato can be purchased for rupees 96? Now the question is what? We need to find the weight of potato that can be bought in 96 rupees. So here we can write rupees 42 is of 7 kg. In 42 rupees we can buy 7 kg. So in 96 rupees how much potato can be buy? Now cross multiply. 96 multiply 7 divide 42. 7 6 are so it is 16 kg potatoes can be buy. Now next one, the cost, so that is option D. The cost of 8 pencil is 10 rupees. Find the cost of 20 pencil. Cost of 8 pencil is 10. So we can write 8 pencil is rupees 10. So cost of 20 pencil is how much? Cross multiply. 20 multiply 10 divide 8. So it is 200 by 8. So 8 2s are 16. 8 5 is 40. So it is 25. So that is 25 rupees. So cost of 20 pencil is 25 rupees. Now next one. The motorcycle goes 120 km in 3 liter of petrol. In 3 liter of petrol, a motorcycle can cover 120 km. How much petrol will be required to go 600 km? So again we can write in 120 km, 3 liter petrol is required. So in 600 km, how much petrol is required? Now cross multiply. 600 multiply 3 divide 120. 10 cancel. 4 50. So it is 15 liter of petrol is required to go 600 km. So that is option C. Next one, 1 by 4 as a percent. We also learn how to convert fraction in percentage. So to convert 1 by 4 as a percentage, we need to multiply with 100%. So that is 25. It is 25%. So that is option B. Next, 1 by 8 as a percent. So we can write 1 by 8 multiply 100%. So divide 100 by 8. So here it is 12.5%. Next one, 5 by 2 as a percentage is, so same, 5 by 2 multiply 100%. 50 to the 100, so it is 250%. So that is option D. 0.1 as a percentage. Now decimal is given and you have to convert it into percentage. So how can we convert decimal into percentage? First convert it into fraction. So 0.1 means 1 by 10 multiply by 100, cancel, so it is 10%. So that is option B. Now next, 0.04 as a percentage. So write 0.04 as a fraction. So that is 4 by 100 multiply by 100%. So that is cancel, so it is 4%. Option B. Now next, 2 by 2 as percent. So here 2 by 2, that is a fraction. So how can we convert it into percentage? 2 by 2 multiply 100%. So 2 cancel, so it is 100%. So if this kind of question is asked, then it is answer option C, 100%. Next one, out of 40 children in a class, 10 are boys. What is the percentage of boys? Out of 40, 10 are boys. So how can we write it as a fraction? From 40, 10 students are boys. So this is the fraction of boys. To find the percentage, we can write this 0, 25. So it is 25% of boys. So that is option D. Out of 25 students, 5 are absent. What percentage of students are absent? So write this one as a fraction. From 25, 5 are absent. So as a percentage, we need to multiply with 100%. 25 fours are, so it is 20% are absent. If in a question it is changed, out of 25 students, 5 are absent, what percent of students are present? So if 20% are absent, then it means 80% are present. So question can be changed. Clear? Now next one. A shop has 50 television, out of which 5 are defective. What percent are defective? So as a fraction we can write out of 50, 5 are defective. So percentage means multiply with 100. So it is 10%. Now question can be changed. How many are not defective? So if 10% are defective, 90% are not defective. So if question is changed, then you can answer it is 90% are not defective. Now next, there are 100 voters. 50 of them voted yes. What percent voted yes? So from 100, 50 voted yes. So that is a fraction. To find the percentage, multiply with 100%. 100 cancels, so it is 50%. So that is option C. Next, if 40% of students in a class are Hindus, what percent of students are non-Hindus? So if 40% are Hindus, then non-Hindus will be 100 minus 40, so that is 60%. So that is option B, because percentage is counted from 100. Now next one, what is 5% of 200? 5% of 200, 5 divide 100 multiply 200. 5% means 5 by 100, of means multiplication 200. So that is 10. So option C. Next one, 12.5% of 200. To convert this into improper fraction, 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2% of 200. So that is 25 by 2 multiply 200. Because percentage means divide by 100, multiply 2 months. So this cancels, so it is 25. So answer is option A. Now next one, the basket full of bananas, mangoes and apples. If 50% are mangoes, 30% are apples, then what percent of banana? So we know that percentage is counted from 100. So from 100, 50% are banana and 30% are apples. So remaining will be bananas, 50% are mangoes and 30% are apples. So remaining are bananas. So we can write 100 minus 80, that is 20%. So percentage of banana will be 20. The salary of Manish is rupees 4,000. He saved 10% of his salary. How much does he save? So here save percentage is given and we need to find the save money. So we can write 10% of 4,000. If left money is asked, then you need to subtract, or you can find 90% of 4,000. Spend money is asked, then 90% of 4,000. So 10 divide 100 multiply 4,000. Here save percentage is given and saved money is asked, so we can directly write 10% of 4,000. So that is 400 rupees. If 400 rupees is the saved money, then what is the spend money? 4,000 minus 400. So that will give spend money. Clear? So that will be 3,600 spend money and 400 is saved money. Next, a traveler covered 8% of his journey, which is 50 km. Total journey is 50 km. How many kilometers did he cover on a foot? So here total journey, 8% of total kilometer, that we need to find. So 8% of 50. Here it is written 50 kilometer. So we can write 8 divide 100 multiply 50. 50 2s and 2 4s. So it is 4 kilometer. 8% of 50 kilometer is 4 kilometer. Means 4 kilometer covered on foot. Clear? Now next one. In particular kind of pulse, the quantity of protein is 25%. How much protein is there in a 4 kg of pulse? So in particular kind of pulse, there are 25% of protein. We need to find how much protein will be there in 4 kg. So we can write 25% of 4 kg. So it is 25 divide 100 multiply 4. 25 4s are, so it is 1 kg. So if we are considering 4 kg, then in that 1 kg will be of protein. Next, Meenu purchased a coat for ₹600. She had to pay 4% sales tax on it. Find the amount of the sales tax. 4% is sales tax, so you can use the equation value added tax is equal to value added divide cost price or original price multiply 100. So that will be 24, or you can directly write 4% of 600. So 4 divide 100 multiply 600. So that is rupees 24. So option A will be your answer. Next, the price of petrol rising from 48 to 52. So increase in a price is given. That is 4 rupees. From 48 it becomes 52. So 4 rupees is increased. By what percent the price risen up? So we can write percentage increase is equal to increase divide original value multiply 100. Increase is what? 4 rupees. Original value is 48 multiply 100. So it is 12. So 100 by 12 25 and 3. So here we can change the answer, that is 25 by 3 percentage. Answer is option